Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute? In case maybe you're new to charts, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link, so you can go there and I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely, some updates here need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here, just get rid of that line. Yes, that level pertains. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. But first update that does need to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when support levels are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's what we have here with $12.80. This will mean a little bit more those of you that watched the video from Tuesday. But if you did, I talked about that as support. And then during the first 30 minutes of the day, the price did drop down below it. So as the rule states, when that occurs, you would expect that level to now act as resistance. And surprise, surprise, on that bounce right there, the price literally got rejected right up there at $12.80. So a good example there of, that rule and how it plays out in the real world of trading. So $12.80, I'm not saying can never be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense why during that bounce that happened mid-afternoon, the price ultimately did get, rejected right up there at $12.80. In the event, though, the price can get up through $12.80, the next key level of resistance, keep an eye on, will be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, right now valued at 1307, but moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself lower and lower, and therefore this value is also going to drop lower and lower. So you just got to be a little bit more proactive as a trader and to keep an inventory check on what the value of that level currently is. On the flip side of things, not really an update, more so probably confirmation would be an accurate term. Confirmation of $12.40. In past videos, I've talked about that as an area of support, and you go right there and you can see that at one point there was this move to the downside, and the price got right down to that area and then bounced actually very, very nicely from there. So congratulations to anybody that actually played that bounce right there off the support. So point being that 1240 was a level that you would want to see act as support, and it did indeed act as support. So that remains a very important level going forward. And then just for context sake, if the price happens to go down to 1240 and then can't hold above there, at that point, the next key overall level of support is down at $12.10. So overall, things are looking a little bit shaky here, but the bulls are hanging in there, and we'll see if they can try to generate some sort of bounce or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.